How's it going, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle on the back right here. Anyway, it's pretty hot, so these shingles are gonna come unsealed pretty easily. I love this weather because that heat can just kind of unbelievable stuff. So let's see here. Lift this up. Grab it in.
Is that yours?
Yep.
Oh.
So one thing to note, Cheese, can you come show them this, please? All right, so y'all can see that nail is perfectly flush. Same thing happened right here on this one. You can see it's kind of chipped away. It was a nail pull through. Keep showing it. If I go like this, that it just kind of, it rips. It doesn't. So now I have a pull through right there. And now that hole is a lot bigger than it needs to be. Get this shingle. Oh, it's hot.
Oh yeah, it's hot.
Oh, it's nice and toasty. It's the closest color.
It was brown.
So I'm trying to slide this right there. There we go. Nice. Alright. Grab this. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is start right here. Right. Actually, let me use this loose thing. About that. Cool. Alright.
Bark, bark, bark.
Is he really barking?
No, that's the other dog.
I'm not gonna lie, that's adorable.
Now the one you can't hear, yeah, that's the small dog. The one that's going.
You can hear it.
Yeah, you can barely hear it.
On
Old age, old age.
That's that old age. Alright. Right. Now you can already see where some creasing is starting at. Can I see that on this one? Mind you, not lifting these shingles up too high. Just high enough. Dang, but my phone is going crazy right now. I'm pretty sure this is the closest color match that we can find.
They don't make this color anymore.
Yeah, they
It looks like it used to be an old brown color.
yeah. I'm pretty sure this is discontinued shingle. Perfect. So after that repair, you can see we have some additional creasing right here on this one. Can they see that? We've got some creasing on here on this one as well. You can definitely see it right there. Creasing there, creasing there. A little bit on that. A little bit right here on this one. But yeah, y'all. Long story short, we can't really just do spot repair. Oh, let me see it. There we go. gosh. You can really see it right here. On that one, and then on that one. But yeah. Hope y'all see that we were using proper technique, proper tools. You know, can't do it without causing more damage. Not repairable. Thanks for watching.